1, go! All right, you want to bump up? Go in front of me.
Yeah, sure.
Get to that side, behind that wood pile. There's 2 in that back base, Mike. All right, I'm pushing up with you. All right. Ready? I'm gonna push for those things over there, those stumps.
Give you cover.
All right. Watch your side there. Here comes one. Oh, hit! Watch, Rich is looking at us.
Want me to pop out and
Yeah.
Yeah, I just
That
saw
hit
a
me?
crossfire
That
from
hit?
here. Yeah, not that I know of. Wait, is he still behind that?
Yeah, Rich is still there. Chris, you think it's safe to cross over to that other one?
Wait. Ready? You can go. Where is he?
Straight ahead of you, Michael. He's looking at me. Rich is out.